Computers are used every day for communication, professional use, entertainment, and more, and have become a part of everyday life. It's essential to ensure that you are avoiding common mistakes, which can lead to potential problems. Here are 14 common computer mistakes to avoid. The most common mistake to avoid is not backing up important files. You run the risk of losing your computer's important files if you don't back them up. Your files will be lost and unrecoverable if your hard drive fails, your computer is stolen, or malware infects your computer and corrupts, encrypts, or deletes your files. Whenever you create an important document on your local computer, you should always create a backup of it. You could use a file storage service, like OneDrive, which can sync across multiple devices, or a storage device, like a USB flash drive. When working on a document or another file on your local computer, make sure to save your work at least once every 10 minutes. Unless the program automatically saves your work, you will lose all unsaved work if the program crashes or your computer loses power. If your computer lost power or the program crashed whilst your work was unsaved, you might be able to recover it, depending on the program. If it can't be recovered, you will have to start that work all over again. Especially if you have worked a long time on it, this can cause huge delays in the time you finish a project, which is why it is important to make sure that your work is automatically saved. Reusing passwords is another very common mistake. This is not recommended because passwords can get stolen on leaked databases. This means that all other accounts using the same password would also be at risk, as hackers can use the same password combination in that database to log into other more important sites. That's why it's important to use a unique password combination for each website and not to reuse passwords. Operating system updates help keep a computer protected from security vulnerabilities and access the latest features. Installing updates for the operating system fixes any security issues and bugs that have been discovered by other users. Even though you can still run an operating system without installing updates right away, it can become a security risk. This is why it's recommended to download and install the latest updates for your operating system when they are available and avoid delaying updates. This one is different from not installing updates and is about using a whole unsupported version of Windows or another operating system. Although older operating systems, like Windows 8.1 and Windows 7 will continue to run, they are no longer supported by Microsoft and therefore no longer receive security updates. This makes them more vulnerable to malware and other malicious attacks. Any new bugs or vulnerabilities that are discovered will go unpatched and remain open to exploit, which is why it's recommended to use a more modern and supported version of Windows. All computers should be rebooted once in a while, which means fully turning off a computer and starting it up again. This improves speed and prevents your computer from becoming slow because flushing the RAM and clearing up temporary processes and files gives it a fresh start and prevents too many processes from building up in the RAM over time. Not everyone is familiar with how to turn a computer off properly. Instead, some people may put it into sleep mode, put the laptop lid down, or just turn the screen off and leave the computer on overnight when it's not in use. If you leave your computer on for a long period of time when you're not using it, you will waste the battery life or power. It is not uncommon for people to finish using a computer and forget to sign out properly. In a school, workplace, or public environment, someone could see your files and other information that you may not want them to see. Therefore, after you have finished using a computer, always ensure that you sign out properly. The most common way that computers catch viruses and malware is by opening suspicious files that come from an untrusted source, like an unexpected email attachment or a website you don't know. Some files, especially executable files, can be used to install malware onto an operating system, which activates when the file is opened. This is why you should never open a file you have received from an untrusted source. When installing new software, most people will click Next without reading any of the options or seeing if anything else is ticked. Make sure to read the agreement and carefully look at any checkboxes before clicking Next, as you might be agreeing to install extra features. If you have noticed programs that you didn't intend to install on your computer, this might be the cause of it. Another common mistake that people make is using the default settings and not changing anything. As operating systems have advanced over time, more settings have become available which allow you to adjust the appearance, functionality, and theme. You should go into your operating system settings and take a quick look at some of the settings if you haven't before. You might notice something that you want to change, like the color theme or desktop background. When saving documents, images, videos, and other files to a computer, you should set up folders to make your documents and other files easier to find. If you don't do this, the documents and other files will build up into one folder over time, and it will take much longer to organize all of those files into different folders than if you only had a few unorganized files. Most people are not aware of startup programs and let all programs start with Windows, which can slow it down. To stop programs from starting up, go to Task Manager, which you can bring up by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Then, go to the Startup tab, which will show you all of the startup programs that could be slowing down your computer. It also shows you a measure of how much startup impact each program has, so you can look for things that have a high impact and you can untick it if you know you don't need them. Browser add-ons or extensions are useful for adding extra functionality to your web browser, but the more browser add-ons or extensions you install on your web browser, the slower it runs. This is the reason why it is important to only add what you need. Using too many browser extensions can make your web browser work less efficiently, use up too many system resources, and even crash it. Another common mistake that people make is not keeping the device clean and letting dust and dirt accumulate. Computers need to be cleaned on a regular basis. Over time, dust can build up around the fans and other components, which can block the air vents and cause the components to overheat. To clean your computer, fully turn it off and unplug it, remove the side case, and use a small brush or a dusting cloth to get rid of the dust from each component. If this video was useful for you, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you want to receive notifications whenever new content is posted, you can click on the bell icon after subscribing.